Welcome back, boys and girls, to Mrs. Nagy's class, and today we will be talking about compatible numbers. Compatible numbers just simply means making two numbers easier to compute mentally or to add up mentally. And the way that I teach this is to show the students to use place value to create compatible numbers. So the students can decide whether or not they start with the tens place or the hundreds place. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to start with the tens place to show how when a student rounds compatible numbers by the tens place and by the hundreds place, it can be quite different in skill level. So I will tell my students to start with the tens place. And how I teach my students to round is the simple words of 5 or more, add 1 more, 4 or less, stays at rest. So they would notice the 2 and say, okay, 4 or less stays at rest. So that 3 stays at rest, and anything after the line becomes a 0. They would go on to the next number where they would see a 9 and say 5 or more, add 1 more. We would add 1 more to that 8, making it a 9, and anything after that line would be a 0. And now you can see that automatically this new equation is a lot easier than this one, because in this one they have to regroup twice, whereas in this one they only have to regroup once. So once the students have compatible numbers, they simply add. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 3 is 12, and 5 plus 1 is, 4 plus 1 is 5, and 5 plus 4 is 9. Pretty straightforward.